Alright, let's see. We want to prove that tan x over 2 equals tan x over 1 plus root 1 plus tan squared x. That's the question. Right, so what I'll do, I'll say x over 2 equals a. So I want to prove that tan a equals tan 2a over 1 plus square root 1 plus tan squared 2a. Okay? Yes? Right. So that means I want to prove that tan a equals tan a equals 2 tan a over 1 minus tan squared a.
Maybe Mozart.
Oh, no, don't help me. No. If you help me, I won't learn.
Yeah,
Okay. 1 plus root 1 plus bracket bracket squared 2 tan a over, oh, not squared, yeah, squared. 2 tan a over 1 minus tan squared a. Tan 2a, 2 tan a, 1 minus tan a, square root. Good. Okay? There's lots of tans. So what I'll do now is I'll just call t, I'll just say t is tan a. Okay. So I want to show that t equals 2t over 1 minus t squared over 1 plus root 1 plus 2t over 1 minus t squared. So I want to show t equals 2t over 1 minus t squared over 1 plus root 1 minus t squared over 1 minus t squared plus 4t squared over 1 minus t squared. So I want to show that t equals 2t over 1 minus t squared over 1 plus root 1 minus t squared 1 minus 2t squared plus t4 right? Is that right? If I square this, 1 plus minus 2t squared plus t4. Yeah?
But this is 4t squared.
Oh yeah, sorry, thank you. 4t squared. Thank you, Ben. 4t squared. 4t squared minus 2t squared. T4 4t squared plus 2t squared plus 1 over 1 minus t squared. Getting closer. 2t over 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus root 1 plus t squared over 1 minus t squared. T equals 2t over 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared over 1 minus t squared. T equals 2t over 1 minus t squared divided by 1 minus t squared plus 1 plus t squared over 1 minus t squared. Cancel. 1 and 1, 2. Cancel. T equals t. True. Easy peasy.
I have to.
You like it, Summer? Yeah, it's great.
It's easy. Because first I move
The root.
right to the left and 2a over a. Yeah, I think it's easier, but the next is too long.
Time for lunch?
We don't have lunch time
Why not?
because we have class in 1 o'clock.
Then you go home?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's good. Half day? Yeah, okay. Right, I'll close this. Oh, wait, what's your question?
This answer is I don't know
We'll talk with. I put the answer in radians, not degrees. We can talk about it next time. Also, I don't forget, I want you to bring your laptop for Friday.
For our physics.
We'll see what.